Hey, topping in life's math industry, and we're gonna take a look at the misconceptions with polynomials. So, we're gonna try and solve this kind of problem because many people in school have a tough time solving this crazy expression. And when you solve it, it's not what you think because it's t minus 4 squared. But when you see a squared right here or an exponent right here, you might think, oh, then why don't you multiply everything by 2? You can't do that because even though in the parentheses, you can't distribute because there's no number over here. If there's a number over here, it must be an exponent and it cannot be distributive. Another thing people think is if you have a square and have parentheses, if you have like -3 parentheses squared, if you do that, -3 times -3 will become a +9. Can't you do that for that? But actually that's not right because you can't do t multiplied by t and -4 multiplied by -4. That would be the incorrect answer. You get t squared plus that by 16. This is the incorrect answer because there's a different way to do it that will bring you to the right answer. So these are misconceptions about polynomials. Let's actually solve it. So, when you have t minus 4 in parentheses squared, that square is telling us that you have to multiply t minus 4 2 times by itself. So we're going to put it in extended form or in its expanded form and do t minus 4 parentheses multiply that by t minus 4 again in parentheses because we gotta multiply them 2 times. Now we get to solve it. Let's distribute this one into that one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna multiply t times t and t times -4. The second one is we multiply -4 times t and -4 times -4. So we're gonna do equation A and equation B because we're gonna get two equations that we can combine them to get our final answer. So let's get started. T multiplied by t is t squared, and t multiplied by -4 is going to be -4t. On the bottom one, -4 multiplied by t is -4t. And -4 multiplied by -4, a negative times a negative is positive, that's going to be a positive 16. So, we add that by positive 16. What we just did is come up with two expressions. Now, we get to combine the like terms, and we'll get our final answer. So, we have t2, or t to the second power, minus that by 8t, because -4 minus that by -4, or -4 minus by -4t is -8t, plus 16. We combine the like terms to get -8t. So here's our final answer, which is a lot different than what students and possibly what other people probably got. This is our final answer. T to the second power minus that by 8t plus 16. So we have 1, 2, 3 objects on the field. We can call this a quadratic, because we're using a number 2 as an exponent, trinomial. Because it's a type of polynomial that has 3 numbers on the field. 1, 2, 3. And that is how we solve this expression. T to the -4th power, t to the negative 4, parentheses to the second power. I hope this video has helped you understand the misconceptions with polynomials. Thank you for watching Tapping Airlines Math Industry. Like and subscribe.